Hi guys, got another lock picking video for you. Got the ABUS 82// model. Really nice shiny lock. It shines a bit like tin foil, so shiny. It's a 5-pin padlock. Works fine. I'll show you the bitting for it. There you go. Because of pin 4 there is so high, and pin 3 is so low there, I find it hard to get to pin 4. So this particular padlock either opens in a few seconds or just doesn't open for me, basically. So give it a go at picking it for you. Going to be using the so-called short hook. Just zoom in slightly. Back of the lock, bit of tension. Just pulling it out slightly. Feels like this touch pin finally drops slightly. Nothing seems to be binding. Must have missed it. Pin 3. Pin 1. Pin 4. That's dropped into a full set there now. Pin 5 seems set. Wants to be set, but can't really get on him properly, so let's see if there's any more wants to be set. 3. There you go. That's a bit of a surprise. Cheers guys.